another video. Talk to you guys. I haven't talked to you guys for a while, and well, I've been doing like shorts. I made some shorts last night. I even posted a prayer, Mary stuff, and I hope you watch that. And pray for me, and pray that my health, is going to be better, in the future. And as you may already aware as well, that I have pfieffers syndrome. So pfieffers syndrome is, as you may see, it's all, your airways, your air passages, and it's getting narrow, it's so narrow. So yeah, so mind the noise here. So just focus on me. So yeah, yeah. So you guys, how are you guys this weekend? My weekend, it's okay. It's recovering. Besides recovering and. Sorry, guys.